Hello, my name is Jose Duque. Next, I will talk about the parts of the ship. Cargo hold. This is a large, mostly empty space designed for transporting cargo on small ships. This can hold a small amount and on a massive cargo vessels. This can hold as much as 2,000 tons of cargo. Wherever it may be, the hull is located under the deck and may require a derrick or crane to access and load or unload cargo on these large ships. Emergency generation room. Just like various factories, hospitals, and other buildings that have their own backup infrastructure, a ship needs a backup infrastructures as well. If main power generation ever go down for same reasons, there is backup power source in the emergency generator rooms. This separate space can provide power for emergency system. Ideally, until main power can be restored or some form of assistance can be reached to help fix the problems. Engineer rooms. The engineer room is the place on a ship where the electronics and machinery used for propulsion are located. On large ships, the machinery can be so big and complex that the machine room may actually be a series of rooms that keep the various parts separate from each other to ensure more smooth operation and maintenance. Flush deck. A deck that continues from stem to stern without obstruction is called a flush deck. You won't find this on every ship, of course. Many have obstruction which block the flow at the deck. A proper flush deck would usually have any structure about it. Freeboard. The freeboard is the part of a ship that exists above the waterline, so the visible portion of the hull is that the unusual distinction of no big stack designs. The weight of the ship can alter the freeboard by forcing the boat to sit lower or higher in the water depending on the amount of cargo. But regardless of how much of the hull is visible, it always freeboard when you can see it above the water. Lower deck. The deck below the primary on main deck is called to lower deck. It can also be plural and cover a number of decks below the main deck which can all be called lower deck. Monkey Island. This is a much more fun name for the freight bridge on a boat. You will about the bridge and what are essentially the hitch heads point you can reach on the deck of the ship. A lot of important technology is allocated of a monkey island, particularly navigation equipment. You will find things like the BDR capsule and communication antenna. Here also radar scanner and number of halyards. Samsung pods and or king pods. The Samsung pods or king pods can be found towards the bow of the stern of a ship. It's used for supporting cargo booms and the beam of the deck. It rests on something called the keelson, which is a beam that run along the keel of the ship to ensure strength and stability. Quarter deck. This raised deck being the Rhine main mass of a ship on older ship. The color were kept here, and it was where the captain commanded the ship. Is still used for ceremonies and other official functions. You will find in the stern area on the upper deck, and may also include to the poop deck. Side turret bow turrets. These are sort of like auxiliary or secondary propellers, while the main poop prop is located at the same. The side or bow turrets are small propulsion units located near the front of the ship. When a vessel gets large enough, these are integral to keeping in not only moving but on a straight course. They greatly aid navigation at low speed and also in thick space like in canals on harbors. Deck house. The deck house is a cabin, basic like a little house as the name indicates, located on the ship upper deck. On older vessels, to deck house a quarter for the crew on the watch. On modern ships, a deck house could literally serve any purpose, but it's unlikely that the world have quarters in it any longer.